Breeders' Choice is a 75-year-old company and has been manufacturing premium pet food for many years. At Breeders' Choice, we have both co-manufacturing, where we produce other people's brands, and we also produce our own brands. And whether you're doing it for one customer or many customers or our own brands, you need to have an ERP system that allows you to have complete planning and visibility to all those actions. As a small to mid-sized company, we needed to have a system that fit our needs. And when we bought the company, it was on a much larger ERP system. We had to find a solution that was right for our size company. And SAP Business One is helpful because it allows us to track all the financial components of manufacturing and of our business, along with the tie-in for the BatchMaster side of production. It gives us the best of both worlds. As we're looking to grow, we wanted to get integrated with a system that would allow us to have the financial tracking along with the benefits of BatchMaster. And now that we have full implementation, we can make future modifications and programming needs to fit our needs as we grow. And BatchMaster allows us to plan and produce and then track with full traceability through all 9 steps of that process.
Why do people come to the Breeders' Choice Pet Food Plant to get their product made? Because they know that the food that comes out of here is tested and made correctly. We are one of the few companies that actually test finished goods.
Our quality assurance department depends on BatchMaster to assure that our positive release system maintains complete and total control of our entire manufacturing process to make sure that everything fits our specifications, nothing gets into this plant that doesn't conform, and nothing leaves the plant that is unsafe or uncompliant. There are 3 ways we typically use BatchMaster. Whenever we produce something, whenever we receive a raw material in, it goes under quality hold, and that allows us to have complete control of our manufacturing process. If we get a raw material in and we have to make an adjustment to an expiration date, we can do that in the system. We can generate POs for purchasing of lab supplies, and then we can go ahead and work with our purchasing department to make sure that we get the correct information in, and then of course our accounting department can use that PO to verify the receipt of the goods and can make payment.
Working with systems can be complex and confusing for lots of people. And one of the things that we found with SAP Business One, BatchMaster, is the more time people learn the system and understand, the more confident they are in using it. When you have a good business partner who can help you hear your challenges, work through the programming, at the end of the day, that's the right fit. SAP Business One and BatchMaster together have enabled us to help our team grow and support the needs of the future of our company.